Alright, so out with the SRx110. It's been a while now that I've been had a chance to fly outdoors. Been mostly some indoor stuff. Nice to get out and get a chance to spread the wings. So it was quite windy. I know, it's hard to find good days. I guess as soon as summer sets in, the weather might calm down. So between the rain and snow, actually it's gone now, but that was some pretty garbage weather and pretty windy, so made the most of it. As long as I keep nice and low, I'm alright. Shaddy tuned rig, custom built SRx110 handles the stuff quite well. You know what I mean? Like he knows what he's doing. I know for sure the blade, the Nano QX that I was flying before wouldn't be handling this outdoor. But yeah, I know motor's a little bit bigger. It's a stable platform altogether, right? The Nano QX is just a little bit too small, and this is perfect size. Kudos to Shaddy's build. Very happy with this. The other thing too is it's, especially for flying around here, it's just small enough that it doesn't draw a crowd. No one really notices it, so I haven't had any complaints. If anybody ever said anything, God forbid I smashed a quad into anything, not going to cause any kind of damage. So I wouldn't like to have that conversation with anybody. I'm sure it wouldn't end well. Tiny little toy performs like a big quad. No complaint about that. Alright, so with that, leave you with the footage. Guys, thanks for watching. Please thumbs up and subscribe.